So I had good fun at the training yesterday, and it went well. And I've got to go to the shops today to get some food, so supper can be made. And yeah, what's nice is that I'm not cooking tonight. My dad has said he'd cook tonight, so that's good. So I better start kind of looking in cupboards and stuff and work out what we actually have. So I've got my shopping list, time to head off down to the shop and get what's on it. I will see you probably back at the house. So having now completed my journey to the shops and heading back up to Pothole, to my dad's house, or my house, or whatever you want to call it, I just think my dad may have bitten off more than he could chew. It's a man who doesn't ever cook because he claims he cannot cook, and he wants to make a spicy salmon fillet, and I'm all to support him in doing it. It would be great to see him finally turn the hob on, but I don't think he's going to do it tonight. I have a hunch he's going to try and make me do it, and I'm not going to let him. I will happily translate whatever's written in the recipe into actions he can do, but that does require him actually doing the work and cooking for once. But yeah, well, we'll see, and hopefully it will sort itself out. So supper was actually really nice, and I was quite surprised my dad managed to do it all on his own. A little bit of kind of like I helped him a little bit. I didn't do anything. He just asked me if the garlic was soft enough, and I just sort of told him yeah it was. Yeah, no, I'm super impressed, and this like idea I have of having us like trade making supper on different days and stuff might work really well, especially as I get into working more. So fingers crossed for all of that, and hopefully stuff will come of it. And I'm gonna call it now. But today is it's like 20 past 10, and I still got to edit it all. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Hopefully tomorrow, if not soon.